In this video, we are going to learn how to paint a complete piece of art with only 4 colors: yellow, cyan, magenta, and black. I'm using Prismacolor Premier, but you can get similar results with Prismacolor's color colored pencils or alike. If you don't have a magenta color, you can perfectly change it with a red color. We will use these primary colors because when you mix them, you get secondary colors. This means green, red, blue, and we will use black to darken colors. Our sheet must be white. Any grammage or thickness is fine. Now, we will quickly sketch what we want to paint. I advise you to use one of our colored pencils instead of a regular pencil because with this one we can dirty the sheet since it doesn't mix well with the wax of the colors. Try to press it as little as possible so that when you need to erase, do not damage the sheet. We'll begin to paint with our primary colors the key areas without pressing too much. Work from light to dark is more optimal in case of having to erase. Then, we will superimpose layers of color to create our secondary colors. Don't be scared of adding too much color when you think it's enough. There should be places that needs more darkness in the tones. This is where the black color comes in. Next to our sheet, we can have a piece of paper to do tests before doing it definitely. Now, I will show you how to get each color. As you can see, if we blend the colors with the same proportion of each one, yellow with magenta gives red, magenta with cyan gives a blue, almost purple, and cyan with yellow gives green. These are the basic colors, but in practice we will have a lot of scales of every combination. I will mix orange and black. For the orange, I will put more yellow than magenta, and then a little bit of black to get brown for these trees. And this is the result of what we can do with only 4 colors. We don't really need too many colored pencils to paint a wide range of colors. These same principles can be applied to any coloring technique, such as watercolors or acrylics. The only thing that could be really missing is the desire to create art. So don't let yourself be overwhelmed by huge amounts of colors when you can choose just 4.